This is John with WTI, and this is hands down the best pasta I've tried in a while. So this is the Barilla pasta in here. This is the, if I can spell it correctly, Fusilli number 8. So one of the things that I like the most about this pasta is the consistency. When you eat this pasta, it's easy for you to focus on the al dente feeling. It's not too soft that is going to be dropping down, and it is the right texture. So it's going to hold the right amount of the sauce. So I did this 10 minutes around it, maybe 11, and the al dente feeling was just great. The feeling and the way that it hold the sauce, it was just awesome. So if you're looking for a great option of pasta, this is great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.